I'm just doing a quick update on the old Honda mower. It's going very well, but I'm finding recently it's quite difficult to start. So what I'm suspecting is the choke's not closing off the aperture or something here. See, you got the butterfly there, and let's see what happens. So it's not fully closed, if you see in there, but it's close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip this cover off. So there's three, that looks like a 10, I think these are 10s as well. So I'm going to whip that off and see if there's any kind of adjustment I can do to fully close that butterfly. I mean, I don't know if anybody's watched any of the other videos. I did get like a non-standard cable for the start/choke lever from AliExpress, so maybe it's not exactly right, but once it's running, it's absolutely fine. It starts fine, runs fine, no problems at all. But I think I just need a little tweak of the butterfly for the carb. I'm going to look at that now. Right, so I've removed all these fasteners. So you can see there, that's it's supposed to be on choke, and it is still open. So it needs to come around like that. So that's spring loaded. Let's see, I'll try moving the cable. So that's it. That's it running. That's it as far as it'll go. So that's at the stop there, so that can't move any further to push it. So what I think it is I have to adjust this, because that is getting stopped there. Therefore it's not allowing it to push that lever there any higher up. So if you push that up, it will close the butterfly fully. So I think it's just this aftermarket cable, because it's slipped through there. I'll need to slacken it off at the handlebar end, so I'll need to slacken this off. Maybe an 8mm nut, so I'll need to get some spanners and undo this, bring that back, and then I try and fiddle about with the tension of the cable so that I get fully open and fully closed. Well, I think I've got it adjusted now. So that's the choke on. As far as I can tell, that's fully closed. Near as damn it. Yeah, I've just pulled that through. So I need to slacken this off and tighten it up again. I think the actual problem is this AliExpress cable is just slightly too short, so there's just a little bit too much tension on it. But saying that, it does work, so for a free lawnmower with a £2 cable, I'm not complaining about it too much. Well, that's it all reassembled. It'll be easy to spot if this moves in, so that's it as far as it goes, this lever. So we'll see if it starts. I haven't done anything, this is exactly how it is. Better check I've got enough fuel. Yeah, it looks like there's plenty of fuel in there. Right. Well, there's the proof of the pudding. There's a bit of smokiness there because I had it tilted over slightly. So if you've got, I'll just turn it off. But that's the negative. Now it's too tight and it won't automatically turn it off. So I know what I need to do there. It's going to have to be a bit of adjustment. So if you've got a cable that's too short, all you need to do is take it out of here, and then the lever will go fully forward. So I think the best advice I can give is make sure you get the cable that's the correct length and not just the cheapest one on AliExpress. But it will work. So if I want to start it again, I just need to slip that in there. Slip that in there. It's actually a 10mm, so 10mm spanner. That should start fine, and then when I want to cut it out, because there's actually tension on here, just drop that out and then that lever will go forward and it'll cut it out. But yeah, I think the next step is to find a properly dimensioned cable for an HRB535, but as it's a free mower, I'm not really that fussed about it. It seems to run very well. I'll need to do an oil change at some point. I've not done one yet. But any questions, just feel free to ask. And better get the grass cut. It looks like a kind of not quite making up its mind day here. But yeah, the grass is definitely needing cut. And the river's pretty low. That's the Gala water. Anyway, feel free to like and subscribe and make any comments. Cheers.